So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in Google Chrome. You want to right click on it and then click on open file location. Now you want to right click on Google Chrome again and then click on open file location again. So now once you're in here, you're going to see a folder with a bunch of numbers. If you see more folders with a bunch of numbers, you want to repeat the exact same thing that I'm going to show you right now for the other folders, but most likely you're just going to see one folder with a bunch of numbers. So you want to click on the folder with a bunch of numbers, you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to find the chrome.dll file. You just want to delete this. Click on continue. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and then type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you run this, you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset and click on enter. Now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed. The problem should be fixed, but if it's still not fixed, now you want to head back into your recycle bin and you want to find the chrome.dll file that you deleted earlier before you restarted your computer. You want to right click on it and then click on restore and then click on continue. And then now Chrome should be working. But you should only do this if Chrome is not working after you had restarted your computer.